YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello. I am Grace Gillespie and I love to get on here and do reviews, makeup tutorials, DIYs, fashion, etc, etc. Today I wanted to get on here and share with you, I've been wanting to try this product for a while. It is called the Lash Lift. And it is actually the updated version. So I came across this on one of the sites. I can't remember what site it was, but I ended up picking up this one on Amazon, and I will go ahead and link down below in the description box where I picked it up at, where you can get it if you would like. So what this does, it's a lash lift. It's supposed to curl your natural lashes. Icon sign, I'm not sure. So it comes with, let's open it up and see. I got it, so the directions are on the back, and it comes with, there are, let me see, 1, 2. So it comes with the false lashy glue. It comes with the perm, which is number 1, and they're numbered, I guess, by the steps. 2 is the fixation, 3 is the nutrient, and 4 is the cleanser. And then it comes with the lift pads and then the cleaning tool. The lift pads, it says that there are 5 pairs, small, medium, medium 1, medium 2, large sizes. You just have to determine what size you want to do, and I think you go by your lid size right here, and you're just gonna put it on here. So yeah, I think I'm the small. And then on the cleaning tool, it says clean off the residue. So they have the cleaning tool. So there are 3 of them. And one side is a little brush. It has little brushes, and that's what you're supposed to push your eyelashes onto the actual pad. So I'm gonna take one of those out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my eyes with my cleansing water. And I don't have any makeup on my eyes or my eyes. So I'm gonna let that dry. Get this false lash glue, and you're gonna put it on to the iPad. Just gonna paint that on there. Put like a good layer. Hoping you can see. So you're gonna let this kind of, give it a couple of seconds just to let it get tacky. Then you're gonna place it as close as you can. I'm hoping you guys can see it. So I look like I was in a fight or something. Okay. So now that that's on there, the next thing you're gonna do is apply the glue onto the eyelash to keep it. Okay, so now it says you wanna put the eye glue onto your eyelash so it can stick onto the pad. So I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna put it on the pad. this pad keeps lifting, so I'm trying to keep it from lifting. See that, you guys? Just to get them more on there. Okay. Seems my lashes are longer than, okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so that step is complete. The next step is use the perm lotion, whiten color onto the lashes, and then cover with plastic for 8 to 12 minutes. The number 1 solution. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Whoa, ew, that stinks. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the perming lotion and just put it on there. To try and keep I don't know what's happening. Okay. I guess we're supposed I mean, I think that's as good as it's gonna get, you guys. Turn my timer on. Get a piece of plastic film. Do that. And I'll be right back. It says to use the number 2 fixing agent, blue in color, on the eyelash, and then cover the plastic film for another 8 to 12 minutes. So we're gonna use this blue one, and I feel like keep it open while you're doing it. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover it again. And then I'll be back 12 minutes. The next thing that you need to do is clear the eyelash lift pads, then use the number 3 nutrition lotion, which is yellow in color, to nourish the eyelash. The step 3, just using this to dip it. I used, and then you're just gonna nourish. So once you nourish your eyelashes, use the number 4 cleaning white transparent in color to clean off the perm residue. Cleaning, which is this one. Insert this in here, get a little bit on there, and then just kind of like clean it up. Get all that glue. I'm shook right now. Like, what? So this kit right here, I think I'm a fan of. So look at this one. This one is the one that I did the, let me, it really curled them. Like, I don't even know if you can see it. Like on the profile angle. But you guys, look. This is with the lash lift, and this is not. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So I went ahead and finished this side. What I'm noticing on this one that's been done, next time if I do it, I'm gonna use the medium, because the more it dries, I noticed that it's just curl. Like if I use the medium, it would go out and then curl. So it would give it more of like an outer lift. I might have to wash them and then we'll see, it might relax a little bit. I'm in love with this product. All in all, I do love what it did to my lashes. As you can see, like right here, it curled them. But if you can notice, it's like a really tight curl. So I'm hoping that they kind of loosen up. I love this product. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and link down in the description box below where I got it from and where you can pick up yours. So yeah, so I'll be definitely using this in the future once this kind of like dies down and my lashes go back to this way instead of up. But if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And also, if you have any requested videos, comment down below and I'll definitely try and get to them as soon as I can. I have a couple of videos that are going to be coming out this week going into, wait, what's today? Friday. So they'll be coming out next week having to do with like some makeup challenges and stuff like that. So if you're interested, subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And like I said, always, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.